Welcome back, guys. Today I have just a cook and clean video for you. I'm just starting out and I got some food on the stove, but I'm going to start washing up the dishes and just straighten up the house so it's decent when the hubby comes home and my house doesn't look like a massive wreck. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and if you guys do like these types of videos, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below.
Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you. Met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you. Care about me cause you're lonely, cause I'm the only one around. You say you are better safe than sorry, cause you're too scared to hit the ground. Might seem dark but you know that I'm honest. Might look broke but you know I can solve it. Do you care about me cause you're lonely, cause I'm the only one around. I don't wanna be your blanket that you wrap around to forget about. I don't wanna be the same thing that you left before. Do it all once more. I don't wanna be your blanket that you wrap around to forget about. I don't wanna be the same thing that you left before. Do it all once more. my head is underwater. Feel the pressure building up.
So I just wanted to bring you over to the stove and kind of show you what I've been cooking up. These are shredded potatoes, kind of like hash browns. I get them from Walmart. If you not have seen my Walmart haul, they are in there. And we just recently got these sausages. They are the Amy Lou Poblano and Oaxaca cheese sausage. So good, super flavorful. If you guys have like a taste for Mexican, those are like my go-to now. So I'm basically gonna do like a skillet with these. You could add cheese, whatever. So I'm making Reyes right now, and what I'm gonna do is just take 2 eggs and fry it. You guys are gonna see her. She was super proud of flipping her eggs. She's learning to try to learn how to cook, and the only thing she can really master is eggs right now. But she's trying, and I give her credit. So she's really excited when she flips them and doesn't break the yolk. So I got some eggs frying up, and then I will show you all plated up when it is finished.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Alright, so I wanted to just jump on here and wrap up this cleaning video, like slash cooking video, just to kind of tell you guys what was going on. So basically I just wanted to hurry up. I started making dinner. It is a little bit early, but everything is heated up, so only thing I would have to do when Leo came home was just make his over easy eggs or add the cheese or whatever it is. But you see me cook up those shredded potatoes and that chicken sausage, the Poblano Oaxaca cheese. And Leo picked it up from Costco, so if you guys were interested, it tastes really, really good. For 2 ounces, it was 4 points. No, I lied. Yeah, 2 ounces was 4 points, 4 ounces, it was 6 points. So I plan on doing 6 ounces of that with 1 cup of cheese, or 1 cup of those potatoes for 7 points for dinner. That's my idea. I like to wait to eat until Leo gets home and me and him will sit together, so he's not eating alone. But yeah, so I just usually while I'm cooking dinner, I'll usually just go around and straighten up the house. This is not a deep clean by any means. It's just, you know, pick up the stuff, kind of sweep up the floor, wipe off the counters, clean up the dishes, just so when Leo walks in, it's just kind of a clean, peaceful environment and he has a hot meal waiting for him. So I wanted to go ahead and wrap this video up. Tomorrow is the 4th of July, so I wanted to go ahead and wish you guys a happy 4th of July. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and you guys stay safe and spend it with your family and, you know, don't like drink and drive or any of that stuff, and, you know, watch the babies around the fireworks, you know, just use common sense. Also, you know, to thank the soldiers who sacrifice and have sacrificed for us to live in this beautiful country. So thank you to those, and not only to them, but to their families who are fighting with them just as equally. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you later.